Greetings, mortal. Tonight we embark on a different journey, one of tales and legends. Prepare yourself for stories filled with gods, monsters, and triumph. Once upon a time, in the realm of Midgard, a young boy named Atreus and his father ventured forth on a perilous journey. Together, they faced formidable foes, unraveled secrets, and explored the vast landscapes of the Norse world. As the story unfolds, we witness the tale of a Spartan warrior burdened with the weight of his past, striving to protect and guide his son. Atreus, a curious and resilient boy, learns to embrace his own godly heritage through the realms they traverse, from the lush forests of Alfheim to the fiery depths of Muspelheim. They encounter gods both benevolent and wrathful. Each step brings them closer to their ultimate goal, a mission of great importance. Remember that even the gods face trials and tribulations. Ares, the god of war, was once my tormentor, but through sheer will, I became the ghost of Sparta, a legend among men. But legends are not simply tales of violence. They are stories of growth, redemption, and the bonds forged amidst chaos. The tale of Kratos and Atreus reminds us that even the gods can change. Now, as your eyes grow heavy and your mind drifts into slumber, remember this. Heroes can arise from the unlikeliest of places, and in the realm of dreams, anything is possible. Rest well, mortal, for tomorrow, a new adventure awaits. Until then, may your dreams be filled with tales as epic as the saga of Kratos and his son. Good night.